Hello prank coders, welcome back to prank coding channel. Infosys recruitment test started. You heard it right. The recruitment drive is already started and we have posted many videos around the preparation. But today's video will discuss about the cutoffs you must know, previous year pattern, free resources and preparation tips for those who have not written the test for yet. And if you have written the test, you should know the cutoff. Eligible batches 24 and 25 graduates, and few of the college do got the notification for 26 as well. System engineer in person, phase 1, 4th and 5th October is the test for few sets of people. Interview was on 6th of October for those who cleared OA. Upcoming phase will be expected 1 or 2 phases. Okay, so Friday 26th of September basis on which they are confirm a test date and slot. Okay, September 4th of October and 5th of October depending upon the location preference, followed by interviews Monday 6th October 25 and a list of location preference, because if they are taking it then definitely your interview would be offline, so start preparing about it. Do give mock interview, because before that if you have less confidence then it would be costing your job and your opportunity, and treat every opportunity as a last opportunity. You have been shortlisted for test process. People got this particular message. Infosys recruitment that yes, you got test link and they need to appear for the test. Okay, so for those who didn't get the mail yet, phase 1, 4th and 5th October are already announced. More phase expected. Wait till first week of October for next update. Stay prepared and opportunity are still open. So, exam pattern is reasoning ability would be 15 question 15 marks, 20 question 20 marks would be for verbal ability. In Infosys, they do focus more on verbal ability. Technical have 10 questions, pseudocode has 5 and the max marks is 10 that you can get. Puzzle will be 4 and max marks is 10. English grammar 5, 10. English written 1 and the marks and all is not disclosed yet. Expected cutoff would be, if you have solved, like there are 15 questions, so 8 plus questions you need to solve correctly. Verbal ability, if you have 20 questions, at least 15 plus questions you need to solve, because verbal is one of the deciding factor in this particular opportunity. Technical ability, 10 questions, 8 plus would be in the safer zone. I am talking about the worst case situations where competition is all neck to neck. So there, this particular grading if you have, then definitely you're going to get the interview call. Pseudocode would be 5 questions, 3 plus would be your put you in the safer zone. Puzzle solving 4 question 3 plus or 3 or 2 3 is enough. English grammar 5 question 4 plus, because English grammar verbal Infosys do focus a lot. English written would be 1 and you need to solve that particular question. For the resources, actual OA and unique pseudocode questions already uploaded to help you in a technical exam. Exact OA and technical playlist is already right there. You can just see in the I button above. No coding required. System engineer mega hiring started. So you can just watch this particular thing so you will get to know about the opportunity more. Mock interview is very important for this responsibility, or I would say opportunity, because this is the only way that you can make your parents proud. We'll test your in-depth mock interview where we'll test in and out of you. HR and MR question would be asked to check your situational based thinking, situation based answering. Full interview simulation would be more than 90 plate plus, although it doesn't matter about the type, we just look at whatever has been provided you, full-fledged or not. We will leave the session when you are satisfied. Okay, so resume review would be cherry on the cake, because this is the first sight of you, so you need to prepare your resume in a very good manner. Personalized feedback and expert guidance will be given to you from the people who have cracked these kind of roles in their campus placement or off-campus placement. To ace this particular opportunity, I recommend you to go on www.primecoding.in, because here this is the key for your success. Yes, instead of taking chance on your actual mock interview, you should take chance over the mock interview. Show who you are, then you will get to know your mirror, where you are standing and how much you are into the water. Need more previous year questions, pseudocode interview questions, basically interview questions, or many more things? Do comment down below the comment box. Yes, we need interview questions. Please upload it. Our team will start working on it and will upload the videos as soon as possible. Please let us know in the comment section, please. So yes, recommended YouTube playlist. So you name it and you will find the video. This is one of the buzzy video because I put a lot of efforts here, the crash course. Interview specific, responses are interview specific, examples are interview specific. Definitely you should go through if you have an upcoming interview. 1 hour video, put it on tour, get 30 minutes and your interview preparation last minute steps is done. So thanks for watching Crime Coding. If you like this video, if you want to place a service with company, to subscribe it, like this video, share with your friends, and I will come up with a new content soon.